Are you struggling to get up from your favorite chair without using your hands? If you're over 60 and noticing it takes more effort than it used to, I have encouraging news. The problem might not be what you think it is. I'm Dr. David Hale, a virtual educator trained in 20 years of senior nutrition research. My mission is simple: help adults over 60 stay strong and independent. More than 50,000 viewers in our community have already used these strategies, and now it's your turn. By the end of this 8-minute session, you'll discover 7 specific protein mistakes that 70% of seniors make daily. Mistakes that quietly accelerate muscle loss. You'll learn to fix each one using foods you already have at home. Before we begin, grab a glass of water and get comfortable. I'll walk you through each mistake with simple solutions you can use today. Remember, minor changes create significant improvements over time. Ready to protect your strength and independence? Let's start with the most common mistake I see. Mistake number 1. The empty morning plate. Most seniors start their day with toast, cereal, or fruit. Virtually protein-free foods. Your muscles have been fasting all night, breaking down for energy, and they're crying out for amino acids to start rebuilding. Research from the University of Arkansas found that seniors who ate 25 grams of protein at breakfast maintained significantly more muscle mass than those who saved protein for later meals. Your body can't store protein like fat or carbohydrates. Simple fix? Add 2 eggs to your morning routine, or try Greek yogurt with berries. Even a glass of milk makes a significant difference. Mistake number 2. The evening protein overload. Picture this: light breakfast, a small lunch, then a large dinner with substantial meat or fish. You might think you're getting plenty of protein, but your body can only effectively use about 25 to 30 grams at once for muscle building. When you eat 50 grams in one sitting, your body converts the excess to glucose or stores it as fat. It's like watering a plant with a fire hose. Most run off instead of being absorbed. Simple fix: divide your daily protein into 3 equal portions. Aim for 30 grams per meal, about the size of your palm in meat, fish, or poultry. Mistake number 3. The missing building blocks. Many health-conscious seniors shift toward plant proteins like beans and nuts. While beneficial, these often miss essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. Your body requires all 9 essential amino acids to build muscle effectively. Missing even one is like building a house when you're short on nails. Everything stalls. This is especially problematic for seniors because our bodies become less efficient at recycling amino acids. Simple fix: combine plant proteins strategically. Rice and beans create complete protein, as do peanut butter and whole grain bread. Or add 1 complete protein source, like eggs or yogurt, daily. A quick like helps more seniors find this life-changing information, if this has been helpful. Mistake number 4. The liquid-only solution. Protein shakes are convenient, easy to digest, and controlled portions. However, relying too heavily on liquid proteins works against you. Liquid protein passes through your digestive system much faster than solid food, meaning less absorption time and less stimulation of muscle-building signals from chewing and digesting whole foods. Research shows seniors maintain better muscle quality from entire foods than supplement-reliant diets. Simple fix: use protein powder as a supplement, not a replacement. Aim for at least 2 daily meals with solid proteins. Try softer options like fish, scrambled eggs, or well-cooked beans if chewing is difficult. Mistake number 5. The muscle-destroying companions. This mistake is subtle but devastating. Pairing protein with inflammation-creating foods. When you eat protein alongside processed foods, excess sugar, or unhealthy fats, you fight a fire while pouring gasoline on it. Chronic inflammation breaks down muscle tissue faster than you can build it. A Journal of Gerontology study found seniors with higher inflammatory markers lost muscle 40% faster than those with lower inflammation, regardless of protein intake. Simple fix. Pair proteins with anti-inflammatory foods. Add colorful vegetables. Use olive oil instead of processed oils, and include herbs like turmeric and ginger. These don't just avoid inflammation, they help your body use protein more effectively. Mistake number 6. The thirsty muscles problem. Your body needs adequate water to transport amino acids to muscles and facilitate protein synthesis. When mildly dehydrated, your blood thickens, making it harder for nutrients to reach muscles. Many seniors don't realize they're chronically dehydrated because thirst sensation diminishes with age. Common medications like blood pressure drugs and diuretics worsen dehydration. Research shows even mild dehydration reduces protein synthesis by 20%. Simple fix. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily, having 1 glass with each protein-rich meal to aid digestion. If plain water is difficult, try herbal teas or water with lemon. Mistake number 7. The hidden pill problem. Common senior medications can interfere with protein digestion and absorption. Proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux reduce stomach acid, crucial for breaking down proteins. Certain blood pressure medications affect nutrient absorption. Even calcium supplements can block protein absorption when timed incorrectly. Take Margaret, a 68-year-old patient who couldn't understand why she felt weaker despite eating plenty of protein. She was taking her calcium supplement with breakfast and her acid reflux medication right before dinner. Splitting these medications 2 hours away from her protein-rich meals made a noticeable difference in her energy levels within 3 weeks. This isn't about stopping medications. It's about strategic timing. Talk to your pharmacist about timing medications around meals. Space protein-rich meals at least 2 hours from digestion-affecting medicines when possible. Fix strategy. Here's your simple 3-step action plan. Step 1. Choose the mistake that resonates most with you. Don't try fixing everything at once. That leads to overwhelm. Maybe you recognize the morning protein desert or liquid protein trap. Step 2. Implement one change for the next 2 weeks. Focus on making this single change a habit before moving to the next mistake. Small, consistent changes compound into meaningful improvements. Step 3. Pay attention to how you feel. Better energy, improved strength, or enhanced recovery are signs your body is using protein more effectively. Your printable checklist. To make this even easier, here's a simple checklist you can print and keep handy. 1. Identify your biggest protein mistake from the 7 we covered. 2. Choose one specific change to implement for 2 weeks. And 3. Monitor how you feel and adjust as needed. This step-by-step approach ensures lasting success without overwhelming yourself. You can download this checklist for free using the link below. My challenge: pick your biggest protein mistake and commit to improving it for 7 days. Then please share in the comments which change you made and how it's working. These 7 protein mistakes are entirely within your power to fix. You don't need dramatic changes all at once. Real progress happens step by step, with minor adjustments becoming lasting habits. Which of these 7 mistakes surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experiences help guide future content and often become the foundation for helping other community members. For immediate action, I've prepared a free protein optimization checklist breaking down each mistake with clear solutions. The download link is in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications for next week's video, Top 7 Foods That Help Seniors Absorb Protein Better After 60. Specific foods many of you probably have in your kitchen that significantly improve your body's ability to use every gram of protein. Remember, you're not just aging, you're choosing strength. Every protein decision either builds you up or allows breakdown. Now you know to make choices that serve your health and independence. Until next week, keep choosing strength.